Good morning, guys. How are you today? Fine. Let's correct our homework. Exercise 1, part B, 2, part B, and 3, part B. Let's start. We said here we have to study 3 rules. Parameter of a circle, square, and a rectangle. We did part A. Now we will correct our homework part B. Find the parameter of a circle. بهيدا الquestion كله we will find the parameter of a circle. طيب. We have 4 lines. We said that the parameter of a circle equals pi times d. d is the diameter. Pi هو constant number equals 3.14. طيب. Some students will write 3.14 times 8. But pay attention and listen carefully. I said parameter هو pi times d. d is the diameter. Is the diameter equals 8? No, the radius equals 8. So let's find its diameter before I find its parameter. Radius equals 8, so diameter will be how much? Will be double. So 8 times 2 equals 16 meter. So we multiply 3.14 by 16, not by 8, by the diameter. Okay, pay attention carefully. It's not the radius, it's a diameter, so by 16. Type. Let's arrange and remove the point. 314 times 16. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 1, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 times 3, 18. Start a new line with 0. It's 1, so we copy the same numbers. 4, 8 plus 4, 12. 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5. Count 2 digits, so it's 50.24 meters. Okay? The second one, parameter of a circle, pi times d. Teacher بالإكزام بيكون في عليها علامات الرول. نحن ما فينا نغري نعمل calculation without writing the rules. Okay? So 3.14 times the diameter. Here I gave you the diameter. No need to multiply by 2. It's 22. Copy it the same. 314 times 22. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3, 6. Start a new line with 0. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3, 6. Add 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 6. Count 2 digits. So 69.08 millimeter. Okay? We have finished from the circle. Now we will go to the rectangle in part B. The rectangle عندنا length وعندنا width. Length هو 10, width هو 6. نحن قلنا بنعمل 2 steps. We will add 10 plus 6. We'll answer, don't forget to multiply it by 2. So what is the parameter of a rectangle? 2 times. Why 2 times? Because every two opposite sides are equal. Then double for what? For the length plus width. For L plus W. Okay, we are repeating this L plus W 2 times. So we multiply it by 2. Length هو 10, width هو 6. Let's add 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6, so we will add the numbers between the brackets first before I multiply by 2. 10 plus 6, 16, then multiply it by 2. 16 times 2. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 32. شو هي اليونت؟ متر. اوكي هيدا الريكتانجل. هلا سكوير. parameter of a square. Parameter of a square كمان part B. Parameter of a square هو 4 times A, or we can write 4 times side. ال A هو length plus side. Okay? We wrote 4 because we are repeating the same number 4 times. It has 4 equal sides. 4 times. قد length لهيدا السايد هو 13. So we multiply 4 by 13. So instead of adding 13 4 times, we multiply it by 4. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So 52. شو هي اليونت؟ سنتيمتر. Okay? Just pay attention to the rules. So circle, rectangle, square. We have finished from our homework. Now we will do problem 10. Next page. اللي هي page 43. Copy it on your math book, please. Let's read the problem. Mr. Wajih wants to put a fence of 4 rows of barbed wire around a rectangular garden of dimensions 30 meter and 50 meter. How much will this fence cost if the meter of this wire is 750 Lebanese pounds? Do you know what is the fence? This is the fence. يعني هو fence. This is the fence. يعني هو اللي بيحموا فيه البيت، بحطوا هيدا الحديد، هيدا بنسميه نحن الفنس. اوكي طيب he put fence. This fence composed of 4 rows. So and the geometrical shape of this garden هو rectangular garden. يعني هيدا الجاردن هي شكلها مثل الريكتانجل. اوكي so let's draw a rectangle لانه هيدا الجاردن form a rectangle shape. اوكي الجاردن شكلها مثل الريكتانجل. dimensions اللي لها 30 متر و50 متر اللي هن اللينث والويدث. length 50 والwidth 30. اوكي طيب بده يحط هو fence around this garden حتى يحمي الجاردن اللي له، بده يحط حواليها fence. اوكي هيدا الفنس مؤلف من 4 rows، يعني مش من بس طبقة واحدة، من 4 طبقات 1 2 3 and 4. مؤلف من 4 rows 4 طبقات 1 2 3 4. اوكي how much will this fence cost if 1 meter of wire. هيدا بتعني انه المتر الواحد 1 meter of this wire how much cost 750 Lebanese pounds. طيب ال 1 meter هالقد، نحن حتى نعرف التوتال برايس we need to know how many meters do we need for this garden for this fence. هيدا الفنس نحن حتى نحطه حوالين هيدا الجاردن بحاجه ل how many meters. طيب نحن عم نحطه around this garden. So what I'm doing here we are finding what to know how many meters the distance that surrounds the garden. When I say شو هيدا definition the distance that surrounds the garden, so we are talking about what? We are talking about parameter. We are finding the parameter. Why? Because we want to find the total meters, the total distance that surrounds the garden. هيدا الفنس هو حوالين الجاردن، منه جوا، هو حواليها outside around this garden. So because it's outside اللي هو around, so we have to find the parameter to know how many meters do we need, okay, in order to find their price. So let's find the parameter of a garden. هو rectangle. شو هو البارامتر للrectangle؟ 2 times open 2 brackets. إذا كان الشيب للجاردن square we will find the parameter of a square. okay length plus width. طيب length how much here؟ length هو 50 والwidth how much 30. So let's add 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30 80. Don't forget to multiply it by 2. So skip the 0. 2 times 8 16, then add 0. 160. So نحن بحاجة ل 160 meters. 160 meters to put this fence. Okay? طيب هيدي هي أول equation. The second equation. طيب إذا البرايس لل 1 meter 750. What is the price of 160 meters now? طيب نحن عندنا 160 meters. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. عندنا 160 meters. اوكي طيب كل متر each one meter each one costs 750. So ال 1 meter 750 750 750. I gave you the price of just 1 meter. You want to know the total price of all meters. What I'm doing here, we are repeating this number several times. So what I'm doing, instead of adding this number several times, we have to multiply it by 160. دايما بأي سؤال لما أعطيكم the price of just one thing, you want to know the total price of all, we will multiply because we are repeating. So 750 times 160. We are repeating this number 160 times. Skip the zeros. Let's arrange. We will arrange 75 times 16. Yeah, 75 times 16. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 7, 42, plus 3, it's 45. Start a new line with 0. then multiply. Table 1, we just copy them. 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 7, 12. So 1,200. Then place the zeros. We have here 0 and here 0, so 2 zeros. So الديلي برايس لكل ال 160 meters 120,000. اوكي؟ هيدا البرايس لمين؟ لهاو ماني روز؟ هيدا البرايس ل 1 رو. ليه؟ لأنه هيدا ال 1 رو اللي هو الديستنس، هو بيعني الديستنس around this fence. طيب ما هيدي الديستنس اللي هي around this fence اللي هي البارامتر ال 160 meters اديته لحقها 120,000. يعني أول فنس اللي هو أول رو حقه 120,000 وتاني رو كمان the same 120,000 لأنه عم نحطهم على the same distance. والثيرد رو كمان البرايس of it 120,000 والفورث رو 120,000. so نحن عندنا 4 rows 1 2 3 and 4. Each one of them cost 120,000 120 120. Let's find now the price of 4 rows. We are repeating this number 4 times. So we will do now 120,000 times 4 because it's composed of 4 rows. Each one costs 120,000. Skip the zeros or let's place them at the end. Multiply just 12 by 4. 4 times 2 8, 4 times 1 4. So 480,000. So قد ايه كلفنا كله الفنس اللي هو مؤلف من 4 rows؟ 480,000 Lebanese pounds. Okay, so this fence cost 480,000 Lebanese pounds. Okay, guys, copy it please on your math book. See you. Bye bye.